Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I can get the romaine lettuce seed, as well as the limited flowers for the new event in Heartopia. It is a Dreamlight Cinematics one. So you're just going to go to Blanc in order to purchase the seed. So I'm just going to go to the gardening store and I'm just going to purchase a bunch of these. I'll do like 150 for now. And then we also have the limited flower seeds, which is the dandelion. So I'm just going to do 10 of each. And that's basically where you can purchase it. And then you're just going to plant that. Wonder if you can see how long it's going to take to plant. Oh, 15 minutes. Same as the vegetable from the last fashion wave. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!